Hi everyone, welcome to Geek New Zealand. Today we will unbox two new cameras from Dlink, the DCS-4705E and the DCS-4605EV, and discuss their features. So let's get into it. Let's start with the DCS-4705E. This is a 5 megapixel outdoor mini bullet camera which is Ip66 weatherproof. The 5 megapixel video provides you crisp and clear recording and playback. It supports H.265 high efficiency video codec. It's waterproof and durable with Ip66 rating to keep working in any weather. It has IR LEDs which guarantee bright and clear images even in total darkness. It has motion sensor and privacy mask, setting you always know what's happening around you. Let's unbox the other Dlink camera, which is the DCS-4605EV. This Dlink camera is also a 5 megapixel H.265 outdoor Vandal-Proof PoE dome camera, which is in high definition, giving you a security solution for your small, medium and large enterprise. The camera uses a high sensitivity 5 megapixel progressive scan and CMOS sensor with onboard WDR image enhancement to deliver truly superior quality of video in all conditions. The all-in-one rugged design makes this camera extremely reliable and ideal for deployment in applications without any additional accessories. Final words: if you're looking for a durable rugged outdoor security camera for your home, small business or large enterprise, look no further. There's two Dlink new cameras, the DCS-4605EV and DCS-4705E. Work like a charm and perfect, give you crisp HD quality video images. Like always, I'll post all the details about the product in the description of the video, so please do check it out. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like and subscribe my channel and keep sending me your review requests, and I will try my best to do them. Thank you.